Hi guys, this is Rob from Icebox, also here today. Just going to show you today's install. We've done this on a BMW X1. We've got this system available for the original car, which has the iDrive screen, which obviously you can see here, and also we have them for the non-iDrive ones, which basically comes with a storage space there. And obviously the one with the storage space one is our BLA 6219, and that also comes with an iDrive pedal, which is this one here. It comes free in the box. But the BL6239, which we fitted today, is the one for the iDrive. So obviously this pedal that you've seen down there a couple of moments ago is in the original to the car. So as you can see, this shows the original menu up here at the moment. As you can see, the systems come with an anti-glare on there, so you can't really see any glare. Well, obviously it minimizes it anyway. You will see a tiny bit, but obviously it's not as bad as some of the cheap alternatives that you see on the market, where you can't even see the screen. So I'm just going to give you a demonstration today with what we've done on the system in the car. This has been fitted with a rear camera today, and also this is our Android 11 system, which comes with 464 gig of RAM and 8-core processor, but you can add an extra 6 to 128 RAM and 8 to 256 at additional costs. So today I'm just going to basically go into the Android mode, which you can do it one of two ways. One, you can hold down this media button here, which will basically take you into the Android side, this is the home page, what you see here, which is obviously designed on the ID7 menus of the latest BMWs today. Anyway, you've got the navigation here and communication. So obviously navigation is where obviously you go into your maps. This is an offline map that the Chinese put on there, but obviously we don't sell it with it. So what we prefer to do is we prefer to put your Google Maps on there, which obviously we'll do before the customer comes. Just to show you basically how it's done, is you go into system languages here. One moment to tell a lie there. You go into, 1 second, making a fool of me here now. It's that one there, that's right. Navigation, choose Google Maps there, and obviously it shows you Google Maps there. Okay, so this is Google Maps on the system today. This is the online version, so obviously you will need a data connection with your phone, or this system takes a 5G SIM card around the side here if you want to put one in. This is your communication. Is where you would pair your phones to it, and obviously you got access to all your phone calls and phone book support. Okay, you've got unknown song, which is obviously where you just play your music through. This now works with the steering wheel controls. As you can see me, you're lowering this awful tune down. It also works with the in the video section too. So as you can see, this is a couple of demo videos you have in here. So you can go to full screen, which is obviously there it is. I'll just put up the sound, so you just show you the hit quality of the sound. It's a really sunny day today, guys, so obviously we need to put the brightness up on the screen itself. But as I say, it's the brightness setting is not so high. We'll do that in a moment.
So how do we stop them?
As you can see, the sound quality is really good in this. Display, brightness, if you'll see the looks a bit better now, so I'll just leave that there. Okay, just lower that down. I'd just like to show you the finish on this unit here with the trim. As you can see, nice, neat, no gaps, no bevels, no ridiculous fascia fits that you normally get from China. Okay, so this is takes you back to the original setting here, which is obviously the iDrive menu. If I was just to press the touchscreen there, it takes you back over to there. There's your dashboard. So obviously if I was to rev the cars, as you can see, that's for that there. You can change the colour on that if you want to change it to different colours, as you can see. We'll go back to applications. Okay, so here's a couple of the back-end settings applications which are already on the system itself. You have your Play Store here, which takes you into the Google Play Store, where you download applications too. And we need to sign in there for the customer. Got Google Maps there. This is your equalizer to enhance your sound settings if you want to define tweak the amplifier. Google Chrome here, Assistant, which is just pretty similar to this one, like a voice guidance thing where you can speak to it if you wish. Now it is an online app, so you need to connect your internet to it to use it. Same with this one here, APK installer. You can get third-party applications from elsewhere, not from the Play Store if you don't want to. Put them on a USB pen, you can upload them through here. File manager is just like a lot of back-end settings, memory and stuff like that. Another way you can show where your USB shows up, MX Player, which is a movie application, DAB radio, the user manual, GPS tester, which tests the signal of the GPS antenna. Netflix is what we've put on today for the customer. Now you can't get this from the Play Store. Only reason playing is because obviously it says it's not compatible, so obviously Netflix must put a block on these type of systems, so we'd put it on as a third party. But if you're interested, we can send it to you by email. You can do it yourself your end. Okay, Z-Link, this last one I'm going to show you, which is the CarPlay and Android Auto. Depending on what type of phone you've got, it would basically show up there. So obviously you've got Apple products, so you'd have a CarPlay. If you've got Android phone, you come up Android Auto, but I've got CarPlay today, so that's where I'm going to show you the CarPlay, which is already set up for the demonstration for the video. As you can see, my phone, my music, Google Maps, Apple Maps, DAB radio, WhatsApp there, all show up on there now. It's not, this sort of software doesn't play like movies or streaming from YouTube and stuff, so you'd have to do that on the Android side. Yeah, so pretty much, oh yeah, the rear camera. So just to show you the rear camera, if I put the car into reverse, okay, 1 second, I'm just trying to struggle to put this into reverse. Put that up the car, so I'll just try again. Now the good thing with these cameras, look what happens, just turn the steering wheel. So you have the trajectory lines with this, and this is with our free cameras that we provide with this system. So if you're interested in the product, you know where we are, give us a shout. Contact details are in the description down below, and if you want to get onto us for a little live chat, then get on our website www.iceboxauto.com, and you'll see a little live chat box. Okay, hope to see you soon, and you take care. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.